How to use Quicken with a Mac. So basically, all you have to do first before downloading and checking it out via your Mac store or any application store that you can use using your Mac is to check out first on their official website. Now, if you hover your mouse directly from plans and pricing, you won't be able to use Quick and Simplify if you're going to be using this platform using your Mac. So as you can see, you need to have at least a Classic Premier or maybe a Classic Deluxe. So just simply choose either of one of options right here, and if you click on any of those, you will be redirected to another page to download the link that is um, specifically for your Mac operating system. Once you've downloaded Quicken for Mac, all you have to do then is just to log in using your Quicken ID or create an account. So basically, these are the features that you can go ahead and use if you're going to be using Quicken for Mac. Now you'll be asked to input or to put up your bank credentials so you can use the whole feature on Quicken Mac. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use Quicken with a Mac.